citation machine. Then I put up with some ads on the left side, but that's okay. Wait for it to load. Okay, still loading. I think I can go ahead and click here where it says create citations. And here what kind of article or what kind of source, whether it's a website, a book, a journal, or all these other things here. So you first have to take a careful look at what kind of source you have, especially if it's a source from the website, and determine what it is and select your option. So let's just say I want to cite a book, book. Then right here, I can enter the title of the book, or I could also enter the ISBN for the book and click on search. So let's just say that I am inside the library's page and I find this fantastic book and I pretend that it's open and I can access the book and this is what I want. Notice that I don't have a citation generator here. But what I can do is I could type in the title of the book or the author, or I can scroll down and try to get additional information from this book. So let me go ahead and click on this. I'm just going to copy and paste it. And remember that the author is Adams Gloria. If I had the ISBN number, I could have also put it in there too. So I'm going to click on search. Then it's going to try to find it. And here is, let's see, society. Okay, so this one looks like it could be it. So I'm going to click on the button that says cite. So then it breaks it down for me, Greenhaven Publishing. I'm going to click back into it and see if that is what it is, if it's the same one. Greenhaven Publishing, yep, it is right there. So I'm going to go back to Citation Machine. And I click on Continue. Okay, so then it's asking me, make it a little bit bigger. What am I citing? Is it a chapter or is it the whole book? I could say I'm citing the whole book. Here is the author all broken out, and I'll make sure that the spelling is correct here. The source title, make sure that that is correct. Volume, edition, series. Now let me go back in to here to see if I can find something else. So as far as it's the first edition, so I don't have to worry about putting that in there. It's 2018. Gloria is the editor. It's part of the Opposing Viewpoint series. So let me add that in there, Opposing Viewpoints. Edition is the first one, so I don't have to worry, no volume, the year, all of this is correct. It does not have a DOI, right? But let me just double check. I didn't look to see. No DOI. So this is not a really great example because I would definitely have to have this particular book in sight so that way I could look through and flip through the pages to make sure that the information is correct. But in this case, we're just pretending, and I just want to show you just how you would do this for a physical book. Then I'm going to click on Complete Citation. Okay, so now this is giving it to me in APA 6th edition. So what I could do is click here where it says Change Style, and I can say, oh, maybe I want it in 7th edition. And there's the information for the 7th edition. Now, let's just do MLA 8th edition. And it did really good. The only thing that is missing is probably say editor in the front here. So let's see, review. I can change this section and add editor. So that was my fault. Now update the citation. Oops. And then here's the ad. So after, you could use this for different sources, just know that you just have to just wait for the ad. So I'm going to click on that. Now I'm waiting on the ad.
Hi guys, it's Lauren Gray, and today I'm letting you control my Lenovo Yoga
after
laptop.
the ad is done. All right, so that was painful, but now I'm back. It took about 3 or 4 minutes to go through that. But there we go. So see, now that is the corrected version. And I can check it. And I could export it or copy it. So then now I can go in and paste it in my paper. Okay, so now I have my sample MLA project. I'm going to go all the way to the end till I find my works cited page. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that I can see it. Scroll down, and I'm just going to put it right at the top because then I will go ahead and sort them again. So when I right click on paste and remove that extra space, and there it is, the editor, the title of the article, the publisher, and the page. And that would be correct according to MLA style, which is the style that I selected. And that's it. You can go back in and do another citation. So now I'm back in here. I don't want to check my paper. Now I can click here where it says create new citation, and I could do the same thing. This one I could do a website. When you click on that, you can just enter the URL, or you could search for it, or you can enter the information automatically. So let's just say I have this particular article and I found it on the web from Psychology Today. I'm going to click on the URL. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to go back to Citation Machine, and I'm going to paste it right here, and then search. And they're doing their search, and here it is. Let me make sure that is from Whitborn. That it is correct. Go ahead and click on Cite. It divides up all the different elements right here. I'm going to click on Continue. Then it brings it up again, article title, the author, the website, the publisher, the URL, the date, nothing else that it's missing. And because that's the last one that I did, it's MLA 8th edition, and there it is. Let's see, let me take a look at it. There's the name, everything seems to be right, volume, etc. So that's pretty good too. So what I could do is copy the citation. I don't want to check the paper because I've already watched the ad. I don't have to do that again. And I can go back into my paper. I'm going to bring this one down and paste. Remove that extra space. And there it is. Oh, one thing, I do have to fix this one because that's not one of the words that I would capitalize. And then I'll just double check the rules from our page and make sure that there are no other errors in here, and sort them again in alphabetical order, and I am set. And that's a quick tour of using Citation Machine.